Alright, so today on the wonderful, lovely Sneaker Minerox, um, this is the third time trying to start recording this. So, um, I was gonna do a past me thing where I was gonna show you the things that I got from like the website and stuff. I'm not gonna show you that with this time. I will show it to you as soon as I'm done unboxing and stuff, so that you guys can kind of see where I got them, what I got them for um, and stuff. So let's get into today's big hunk of a bag. You guys probably already know what's in here. Um, so we got this large bag here. I'm gonna try to keep my name definitely secure because it's on the back side, so that's why I'm not gonna show you guys the back side. It's just a blank. Actually, you guys cannot see my name anyways here, so because it's there, but okay. So it's gonna take me a little bit to open. So what I'm gonna do is that you guys can kind of see me opening up the bag here. Where do I want to start? Let's start from back here. Alright, let's just dig in, I guess. Man, they definitely do make this hard to open. Alright. Okay, so you guys can kind of start seeing what's in the box is here. Let me get you back to my face here. So, well, you guys, I hope you guys are interested in what's going to be part of this video. Now, this is going to be a two-part video. Not two-part, but this is not... Well, it's actually going to be kind of a two-part video kind of thing. This one's going to be the more of an unboxing and a lookbook kind of deal. After a month, close to a month anyway, basically close to January, close to January 2021, I will let you guys know on a review on these. So this is, so we're going to start with the Why Are You boxes here. So just wanted to, I kind of hope that they're my size, hope they fit me perfectly, because I did go with a size 7, but, you know, so we're going to take off the rubber band I see here. The box looks tethered, looks bad, but I think it was just part of the shipping, I guess. I don't know. They're so heavy. Let's go down here where you guys can actually kind of see me. I'm going to try to do something a little bit different here. So I don't know. You guys can kind of see the paper already. The box is falling apart, so these will not be staying in the box. Because it is already falling apart, and I don't really like to keep shoes in a box. You guys can kind of, before I do open, you guys can kind of actually see that I have a whole bunch of shoe boxes over there. But that's only because I actually like to keep my shoes in a box so that they're safe. But these I probably won't, just because. So as you can kind of see, we're taking off the paper. I don't know if you guys can see these pretty well by now. So I got them in this nice little wrapped paper here. paper. They're a platform pair of shoes. So they are actually pretty, they look pretty decent. I don't know, they're like 4 inches. I don't know if I'm gonna, like 4 inches in the back, I believe. In the back here. Not here. So we'll find out. We'll let you guys know on that. So let's see, what else do we get in here? There's nothing else, I don't think. I might keep the box just because I can, I guess. And then we got the other one from over here. I'm going to show you guys around the whole entire shoe, I guess, here. I know that there's paper inside here, but I'm not going to take out the paper. I'll do that off camera. And as you guys can actually see, they got a little bit of that glitter. You guys will probably see me, I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. These do actually, like, they're not going to come off. They feel like that these things are like sewn on. So that's going to be okay. Alright, so there's those. I'm going to set those off to the side. Let's get into the other box here. The reason why you guys are actually seeing my headset mic that I use for gaming, it's because I don't have the a good decent microphone to do recording with. My computer mic is being really stupid with me. So these ones, I was taking off the box. They're the rainbow platforms. Now I will show you guys where I got them here in a minute. And you guys we'll take a look at that here. This box is a lot nicer than the other one, but still, okay. Whatever that is, I have no idea. Okay. So now there is 2 versions of these pairs here. I got the little more expensive pair than the other ones because these were actually looking a lot nicer. These ones, I will probably more than likely be able to fit in these. These are the rainbow. They actually look better, probably look better in person. They probably look better online than they do in person, but they actually are probably a lot better in person than online. I guess I can't really say that the rainbow is the only part that I feel like that's not there. Yes, there's. Oh, I didn't know they say women 7. Haha. Okay, there we go. I don't think there is anything else in here really. A lot of stuff that I could probably just. I like the packaging that they do. I do for these. And we got another pair of these here. I'm just kind of showing you guys these around everywhere as much as I can. So I will there's the reason why I'm going to tell you that there's a thing is after a month of wearing these, I will let you guys know. I'm going to probably wear these for each one at least a week and stuff. So okay, so let's get back to my beautiful face again. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to wear them for basically each one for about a week. Now, the biggest test is that they're going to be worn for basically like doing work and cleaning. Now, yes, I know that they're probably not going to be the best in terms of keeping them nice and cleaning, or they might get ruined. I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to wear them for at least a couple weeks, for about 2 weeks, and then I'll probably maybe give my review at least then, so that you guys can kind of get a full head-on review on all platforms. I do have some other platforms. You guys have seen those. Um, before we get started with the lookbook, at the very end, if you guys want to check out my Adidas Bolds, those are also about an inch platform. Where that one, those first one I showed you was 4, the other ones were 3, 2.53 inches. So yeah, so you guys can check out that at the end here. And we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, and make sure that when you do hit that subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification with the all, because you never know when I'm going to upload, because I am going to let you know that I do try to upload about one, maybe at most 2 a week. So 1 to 2 a week, and I'm going to try doing this from this day forward, is that I'll only do 1 video a week rather than 2, but you might see from this day forward. But for the rest of 2020, I will have 1 more video coming out, and then that'll be the last I will put up in 2020. So yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!